So as I told you, today our lecture is on NCERT chapter and exercise discussion. Okay. So we are solving. So answer first. Till now I didn't receive any answer. I'm not getting the answer. Okay, I'm solving. Look at question number 3. Okay, now how to solve it? It is given iron how many percent? It is 69.9%. Is it clear? And oxygen, what is the percentage of oxygen? That is 30.1. Now what is the rule? Tell me. It is very simple. We know the simple method. Percentage of Fe will be equal to 69.9. What is the atomic mass of Fe? 55.85. What is the percentage of oxygen? Given mass 30.1. What is the atomic mass? 16. So after solving, we are getting it has a value 1.25 or it has a value 1.88. Now which is a smaller one? We know this is the smaller one. So divided it by 1.25, again 1.88 divided it by 1.25. So what we are getting 1, and here we are getting what? 1.5. We know this is not a whole number. So to make it whole number, what is the simplest number we are going to multiply? If I multiply it by 1, it will give 1.5. But if I multiply it by 2, then what we are getting? 2, 3. This is a whole number. Again multiply it by 2 because 2 here, so 2 here. So Fe how many times? 2 ones are 2. Oxygen how many times? 3 times. So what is the formula? Fe2O3. Remember this? This is a simple method to solve such kind of questions. Now suppose if you do not know this method, we know we have a table. How to draw the table? Write down element. Now again percentage of element, their atomic mass, उसके बाद then relative number of atoms, then what? Then simple ratio. Is it clear to you? Now check. Element is iron, oxygen. Element percentage is 69.9. Oxygen percentage is 30.1. Atomic mass 55.85. Oxygen 16. What is the relative number of atoms? In this case we will do 69.9 divided by 55.85. Then 30.1 divided by 16. What is the value? It is coming 1.25. Here coming 1.88. Which is smaller? This one is smaller. So what is 1.25 divided by 1.25? 1.88 divided by 1.25. What is its value? 1. What is its value? 1.5. We know iron 1 times, oxygen 1.5 times. We know it never, this never be a fraction. It may be the whole number. How to make it whole number? We all know to make it whole number, multiply it by simple whole number. What is a simple whole number? First multiply it by 1. Not possible. Wait for a moment. So we multiply it by 2. So what we are getting? 3, and also multiply by 2. Both sides you have to multiply by the same quantity. Now 1 into 2, 2. Iron how many times? 2 times. Oxygen how many times? 3 times. So this is the empirical formula of the oxide. This one is not correct. Always remember, if the value come in a fraction, then multiply it by with a small number so that it may become the whole number. Either you use this method completely, but it is time consuming. But in your school examination, you will solve like this. Complete, you have to draw the table. Otherwise, ma'am or sir will not give you marks. But in short form, you can directly write down. Clear? Now let's move to the next question. The next question is 1.4. calculate the amount of carbon dioxide that can be produced when 1 mole of carbon is burnt in air. This is a very good question. Now I am going to discuss here a important topic, that is limiting reagent. What is limiting reagent and how to solve it? For a while I'm rubbing this part. Okay. Wait for a minute. Let me add few more slides. Okay. Yeah. Now listen, in this case, what we are going to do. Question number 4. Clear? In question number 4, what is given? Read the question again. Calculate the amount of carbon dioxide that could be produced by 1 mole of carbon burnt. 1 mole of carbon is burnt in air. 1 mole of carbon is what in this situation? We know carbon plus oxygen. It gives you what? CO2. They are asking what is the amount of CO2. First case, when the quantity is 1 mole. Second case, 1 mole of carbon is burnt in 16 gram of oxygen. Now what does it mean? One by one we are going to solve. Question number 4. Okay. Now we know carbon plus oxygen combined to form CO2. Now in this case it is given 1 mole. Good. 1 mole carbon, oxygen how many times? That is stoichiometric coefficient. It is also 1 mole. And what is the answer we are getting? 1 mole. So simply you can say 1 mole carbon combined with 1 mole oxygen and gives how many mole of CO2? 1 mole of CO2. So the answer for first part of the question is 1 mole carbon gives how many mole CO2? 1 mole CO2. Or 1 mole carbon means what is the atomic mass of carbon? 12 gram. 12 gram carbon gives how many gram? What is the molar mass of CO2? 44 gram CO2. That is the answer of first part. Clear? Now for such kind of question, first of all, you have to maintain the reaction, balance the reaction. Now second, they are asking what is the mass of CO2 produced when, listen carefully. This is very good question and important also. Look at when 1 mole of carbon combined with 16 gram of oxygen, they told. Okay, but look at 16 gram means how many mole? First of all, find out the number of moles is equal to 16 given mass upon O2 molar mass is 1/2. Clear? Now balance the reaction. What the reaction tells. Carbon plus oxygen gives you what? CO2. How many mole carbon? 1 mole. How many mole oxygen? 1 mole. Means 1 mole carbon require how many mole of oxygen? 1 mole. But in the question, how many oxygen given? 16 gram. Means how many mole given? 1/2. You require 1 mole, but you have half mole. Means less or more? Less. Required quantity is 1 mole, given quantity is only half mole. In such a situation, if the required quantity is more than the given quantity, then always remember the topic. Those quantity which is present in a lesser amount. Which one is present in a lesser amount? O2. So this reactant is called limiting reagent. Always remember what I'm telling. This reagent is called limiting reagent. And this carbon, we know complete quantity. So Got it? What I told you? The quantity which present in a lesser amount is called limiting reagent. Here the concept of limiting reagent. This is very, very VVIE, limiting reagent. So it will decide the quantity of product. Now, 1 mole oxygen gives 1 mole CO2. Look at. But in the question, how many mole given? 1/2 mole. Means now you will get the quantity of CO2 is not 1 mole. In this case, you will get 1/2 mole. Always remember. We'll practice on this. Now, look at next one. Suppose we have given N2, okay, no issue, N2 plus 3H2, clear? It gives you NS3. Now, it is in the given question, 14 gram N2 combined with 10 gram H2. What is given? 14 gram N2 combined with 10 gram H2. So in this case, find out the limiting reagent. Now listen carefully. First of all, write down the equation again and check what is given in the question. Wait. It is given N2 plus 3H2. It gives you what? 2NH3. Now, how many mole you require? 1 mole. How many mole of hydrogen? 3 mole. Clear? Now look at 1 mole N2. What is the molar mass of N2? We know 28 gram. What is the molar mass of hydrogen? 2 gram. 3 times. So 3 into 2. We will write 3 into 2. That is equal to 6 gram. Is it clear? Now in this situation, listen. 28 gram combined with how many gram of hydrogen? 6 gram of hydrogen. Clear? How many gram in the question you have? 14 gram. So 14 gram combined with how many gram? 14 into 6 divided by 28. After solving, 14 to the 2 3 the 6. 3 gram of H2. Now tell me, in the question, how many gram of H2 given? 10 gram. How many you used? 3 gram, which is present in a large quantity. 10 gram, but use 3 gram. Means it is present in a large quantity. So if it is present in a large quantity, so this is called excess reagent. Excess reagent. Now N2 completely used. If the quantity is completely used, then it is called limiting reagent. Clear? Means छोटा सा चीज समझ लो, those which is present in a large quantity are called excess reagent, which is present in a smaller quantity is called limiting reagent. ऐसे मत करना 14 और 10 is small, so don't write it limiting reagent. पहले solve करना. You consume only 3 gram of H2. What I told you. But given 10 gram means 7 gram is still remaining. So this is a excess reagent. Means N2 consume completely. So this is a limiting reagent. Always remember. Clear? Yes. I'm changing the color. Okay, got it. Now again, wait for a while. Now again, we are doing few questions on it. Now listen. Suppose if I write H2 plus O2, it gives you H2O. Clear? I'm not going to balance it. Or okay, let me balance once. H2 plus O2. I am putting here 2. I am putting here 2. Okay. This is the question. Now in the question, four gram H2 react with 40 gram O2. Okay. 4 gram H2 react with 40 gram O2. Then tell me which one is 4 gram O2 react with 40 gram of H2. 4 gram H2 react with 40 gram of O2. tell me which one is limiting reagent, which one is excess reagent. Do fast, so that I will understand whether did you get the concept or not. Whether you got the concept or not, do first. Which one is reagent? Student, answer fast. If you are not getting the topic, ask me. I got only one answer. Why? I will explain, but do first again solve it, na? So you will have the idea. I got only one answer. H2 is in excess reagent, O2 is limiting reagent. Those other students, Dhanu, Raj, Rajni, Shriya, answer it. Azit. Answer first. H2 is limiting reagent. Okay, now check. Now again I'm solving. What is given? Look at. First of all, you have to balance the reaction. Just balance it. Now look at 2 mole H2. Listen carefully. Write down the equation like this. Complete how many mole of oxygen? 1 mole O2. Clear? Now, what is the molar mass of H2? 2 gram H2. H2 molar mass 2 gram. How many mole? 2 mole. So 2 into 2, 4 gram H2 combined with how many gram of oxygen? What is the molar mass of oxygen? 32. 1 mole means 1 into 32. So you will write 32 gram O2. Clear? This is the general expression. 4 gram H2 combined with 32 gram of O2. Now in the quantity, how many gram H2 given question? 4 gram. So write down again. 4 gram H2 combined with how many gram of O2? 32 gram. But in the question, how many gram of O2 given? 40 gram. Now you require how many gram? Tell me. Sir, I require only, look at, you require how many gram? 32, but it is given how many gram? 40 gram. So tell me which is present in a larger quantity? Oxygen. You require 32, but it is 40 gram. So oxygen is what? Oxygen is excess reagent. Those which present in a larger quantity are called excess reagent. Now this is excess reagent, and H2 is what? H2 consume completely. So this is called limiting reagent. It's very simple. Which is present in a larger quantity, excess, which is present in a smaller quantity, means consume completely, are called limiting reagent. I'm giving you another example. This topic is very, very important. And I will provide the notes. Theory I will provide, no issue. But first of all, you have to go through the topic, na? Okay, now let's move to the next same type question. Now again, it's your turn. It is given H2 plus Cl2. It gives you 2HCl. Clear? Now H2 is given 6 gram and Cl2 is given 71 gram in the question given. Now by looking at the equation, tell me which is present in a smaller quantity, means which is limiting reagent and which is excess reagent. Do fast. Ria, H2 is limiting reagent. Yes, your answer is good. Ria, correct. Now do fast. All student, if you have any doubt, you ask. Limiting, those which consume completely. Those which remains, that are called what? That are called excess reagent. Answer fast. Yes, I received the answer. Anusha told Cl2 limiting, H2 is in excess. Dhanu told H2 in excess and Cl2 is limiting reagent. Ajam told H2 is limited and Cl2 excess is. And rest students do fast. Rest student reply fast. Okay, I'm solving. Listen. Okay, I got the answer. Raj, H2 is limiting. Okay, let's check. First of all, remove this one. Okay, and now copy book style. एकदम normally solve करना है. Look at H2 how many times this react. First of all, check whether the reaction is completely balanced. Yes, completely balanced. Now check. 1 mole H2 combined with how many mole CO2? 1 mole CO2. That's good. Now, what is the molar mass of H2? That is 2 gram. How many mole? 1 into 2, 2 gram. 2 gram H2 combined with Cl2. What is the molar mass of Cl2? Tell me. Molar mass of Cl2 is 71 gram. Okay, 71 gram Cl2. Now in the question, how many gram hydrogen? 6 gram. So 6 gram H2 required how many gram? 31 into 6 divided by 2. 2 3 is a 6. So 3 1s are 3, 7 3s are 21. Okay. Gram Cl2. Now listen carefully. What does it mean? In the question, it is given H2 how many gram? 6 gram. And Cl2 how many gram? 71 gram. If we take 6 gram of H2, we require 213 gram of Cl2. But Cl2 present how many gram? 71 gram. Means it is present in a very, very small quantity. Anything which completely consume or present in a smaller quantity. What I told you, limiting reagent. Always remember, no? Look at, you require 213 gram, but you have only 71. It is excess or less? It is less, so less means limiting reagent. Now H2, definitely if it is limiting reagent, then this one is always excess reagent. Because 71 gram require only 2 gram, but you have 6 gram. Got it? All got it? All got? Or again I have to do here, Cl2 is limiting and H2 is excess. All got? I'm raising the poll. Did you get it or not? सबको अगर समझ में आ गया so tell me yes or no. Then we'll move to the next segment. And limiting reagent always decide the quantity of product. Okay, I think got it. So if you got it, now you solve it. Limiting reagent always decide the product. That is the basic thing. Now let's move to the next. Now this is the question. Third part, just you need to solve it. That is 2 moles of carbon are burnt in 16 gram of dioxygen. Find out the quantity. 2 mole. Now do first. These notes I will provide, you know. I'm going to rub this part. Now you solve 2 moles combined with now answer first. First of all, in this question, you have to find out the limiting reagent and excess reagent. C plus O2. We know this is the reaction, it gives CO2. Yes. Now in the question, it is given carbon how many mole? 2 mole. But O2 given how many gram? 16 gram. So they are asking find the quantity of CO2. First of all, find out the excess reagent and limiting reagent and tell which one is excess reagent and which one is limiting reagent. Do fast. Anusha, do fast. Ria, fast. Azam. Students, answer fast. Sir, please share the video link in the group. Yes, definitely. I will share. I will. Yesterday, I also provided the PDF file also, no, of today's class. Similarly, today also I will provide the classroom notes. No issue. And link also. Video link, it will take time, but notes you will get fast. And notes with the complete theory. when I provide the notes, you just go through the notes. It will there is an attached file which has a note, theory part also. Okay, now look at, I am solving. If you are not able to solve, so I'm going to solve. Okay, Ria, H2 is limiting reagent and O2. H2, where is H2 here? It is carbon. Question is carbon plus oxygen gives CO2. Carbon 2 mole and O2 16 gram. Which one is limiting reagent? Check, no issue. What is the definition? Those quantity which present in a H2 is limiting reagent and O2 is oh sorry sir. Okay, no issue, do first. Anusha, do first. Okay, I'm solving. Look at, first of all check whether the reaction is completely balanced. Yes, completely balanced. So write down 1 mole carbon combined with how many mole? 1 mole O2. Clear? Now, what is the atomic mass of carbon? This is 12 gram. So 12 gram carbon combined with how many gram? 32 gram oxygen. Clear? Because the molar mass of oxygen is 32. Now, in the question, how many mole? 2 mole. 1 mole has mass 12 gram. So 2 mole has mass, tell me, 2 into 12, that is 24 gram carbon combined with how many gram? Tell me. 24 multiply 32 divided by 12. Is it clear? So how many gram you require? That is 64 gram O2 you require. But in the question, how many gram oxygen given? 16 gram. And you require 64 gram. So which one is a limiting reagent? Now you can say O2 is limiting reagent. And if O2 is limiting reagent, so carbon is excess reagent. If one is limiting, the another one is excess. देखो यहां तक सबको क्लियर है? से यस और नो. देखो यहां तक किसी को क्लियर है? यहां तक किसी को डाउट? एनीबडी? दिस इज लिमिटिंग 16 gram you have, but it is given in the question 64. So this is a limiting reagent and this is excess reagent. Now, as I told you, limiting reagent decide the quantity of the product. Now find the mole of O2. We know 1 mole O2 gives how many mole of CO2? 1 mole CO2. Clear? Now, what is the moles of CO2 given? How many gram? 16 gram. And molar mass 32. But now in the question, how many mole O2 given? 1 by 2. So put it here, 1 by 2 mole O2. 1 mole O2 gives 1 mole CO2. 1 by 2 mole O2 gives 1 by 2 mole CO2. Look at, is very simple. First of all, again I am repeating, those quantity which consume completely are called limiting reagent, means which are present in a lesser quantity that given in the question. Clear? And which are present in an excess quantity are called excess reagent. Always limiting reagent decide the quantity of product. Look at, we will not consider carbon. Why? Because carbon is excess reagent. Now we'll consider O2. Look at, 1 mole gives 1 mole CO2. So what is the moles of O2 given? Because O2 given in the question 16 gram. So 16 divided by 32, half mole. So half mole O2 gives half mole CO2. Now I'm raising the poll. Now, did you get it completely, or still if you have a yes, O2 limiting reagent, C is excess reagent? Yeah, definitely. Yes, yes, Azam, correct. Now I'm raising the poll. Did you get it or not? All tell me, did you get it? Yes. No. Who didn't get? Who didn't get? Again, tell me. Explain this question one more time, sir. Yes, I'm explaining. Wait. This is the question. 2 mole of carbon are burnt in 16 gram of oxygen. Again, I'm solving. Wait for a while. Close your videos. Okay, this color is not visible, na? Blue color. Okay. I will not use this. Now, again, I'm repeating. Wait for a while. It is given carbon plus oxygen. It gives you what? CO2. Now in the question, carbon is given 2 mole and oxygen is given 16 gram. Now they are asking which one is limiting reagent, which one is excess reagent. First of all, write down the equation. We have written it. Now carbon, how many mole? Tell me. 1 mole carbon combined with how many mole of oxygen? Look at 1 mole oxygen. Okay. Now you have how many mole? 2 mole. 2 mole, sorry, pardon, 2 mole carbon. This is carbon. 2 mole carbon require how many mole of oxygen? 2 mole oxygen. Clear? Now this side clear. But in the question, oxygen given in gram, not mole. Now tell me, 1 mole oxygen, how many gram? 32 gram, that we know, molar mass. So 2 mole oxygen, how many gram? 2 into 32, that is equal to 64 gram. So 2 mole carbon requires 64 gram of oxygen. But in the question, how many mole of oxygen given? 16. Now you have only 16 gram, but you require 64 gram. Means this quantity is present in a very lesser amount than the required. If the quantity present in a lesser amount than the required, then this quantity is called what? Limiting reagent. And this carbon is called excess reagent. If one is limiting, the another one is excess. Now tell me, is it clear? Now if we know oxygen is limiting reagent, so it will decide the quantity of product. Always remember, this is a theory. Limiting reagent decide the quantity of product, not excess reagent. Now look at the question. 1 mole O2 combined with gives 1 mole CO2. But in the question, how many gram given? 16 gram. So find out the moles of O2. Moles of O2 given mass upon molar mass, that is equal to 1/2. So in according to the question, how many moles of O2 given? Half mole. 1 mole O2 given 1 mole CO2. So 1/2 mole O2 gives how many mole of CO2? 1/2 mole CO2. Is it clear? Tell me yes or no. अच्छा, एक बार हिंदी में भी बोल दूं? अच्छा देख लो बच्चों, आप सबको हिंदी समझ में आती है? मुझे लगा आप लोग को नहीं आती है। ठीक है बच्चों, देखो, अच्छा एक बार मुझे अच्छे से फिर से इस चीज को समझो। आप लोग को अगर आती होगी तो मैं हिंदी में बता दूंगा, नो इश्यू। मुझे लगा आप लोग को नहीं आती है। ओके धनु, चलो ठीक है, फिर से देखो। अच्छा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक बार आप बैलेंस इक्वेशन को लिख लिया। कार्बन प्लस ऑक्सीजन गिव्स यू व्हाट? CO2. नाउ लुक एट द इक्वेशन। 1 mole carbon react with 1 mole oxygen. क्लियर? अच्छे से देखो, 1 mole ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट किया, बिल्कुल। सो 2 mole carbon react with how many mole oxygen? 2 mole oxygen अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन। नाउ 2 मोल ऑक्सीजन का मास कितना होता है, जल्दी बताओ। 1 मोल ऑक्सीजन का मास होता है 32 ग्राम। तो 2 मोल का कितना होता है बच्चों? 2 इंटू 32, 64 ग्राम। अब मुझे बताओ, इन द क्वेश्चन हाउ मेनी ग्राम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन? 16 ग्राम। बट तुम्हें कितना चाहिए? 64 ग्राम। मीन्स ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट इन अ स्मॉलर क्वांटिटी। सो इफ एनीथिंग प्रेजेंट इन अ स्मॉलर, कोई भी चीज अगर स्मॉलर क्वांटिटी में प्रेजेंट हो, so this is called limiting reagent. Clear? अब if O2 is limiting reagent, then carbon is what? Carbon is excess reagent. Clear? Carbon excess हो गया। As I told you, जैसा मैंने आपको बताया कि ऑक्सीजन लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट है, तो it will decide the product. Now look at the question. 1 mole oxygen gives How many mole of CO2? 1 mole CO2. But in the question, how many gram of O2? 16 gram. 16 gram means how many mole होगा? 1 by 2 mole. So 1 by 2 mole O2 कितना मोल CO2 देगा? 1 by 2 mole CO2. देखो अब आया सबको समझ में? देख लो अच्छे तरीके से. अभी एक स्टूडेंट ने अभी ज्वाइन किया है, सृष्टि. देखो, नाउ आई एम अनम्यूटिंग यू ऑल. अनम्यूट कर रहा हूं सबको. अगर किसी को डाउट है तो पूछो जल्दी से. ये टॉपिक बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई एम अनम्यूटिंग. यू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड आस्क. एनीबॉडी, एनी डाउट?
नो सर.
कंप्लीटली आ गया लिमिटिंग और एक्सेस रिएजेंट?
हाँ सर.
देख लो और भी कोई स्टूडेंट. आई एम गिविंग यू 2 मिनट्स मोर. फिर एक और एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे. देखो बच्चों, ये इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. चलो अगर सबको आ गया तो बताओ मुझे. H2 plus O2. नाउ म्यूट योरसेल्फ. अपने आप को म्यूट करो. नाउ अब सब सॉल्व करो. H2 plus O2 it gives you H2O. now in the क्वेश्चन समझना. 3 मोल H2. पहले बैलेंस, हमेशा बैलेंस कर लो रिएक्शन को. 3 मोल H2 कंबाइन with 2 mole O2. What is the question given? 3 mole H2 combined with 2 mole O2. Now tell me which one is limiting and which one is excess reagent. Do first. Limiting always present in a lesser quantity means जो पूरा कंज्यूम हो जाए. चलो बताओ कौन है. जल्दी देखो बच्चों, थोड़े और क्वेश्चन करने. लिमिटिंग दोज प्रेजेंट in a small quantity, those consume completely. Answer fast. I didn't receive any answer. देख के भी तो बता सकते हो. जल्दी करो. अनुषा, do fast. रिया, आजम, सृष्टि, you are new. Are you getting it? Do fast again. Do fast. Dhanu, H2 is limiting reagent, O2 is excess reagent. Let's check. O2 is limiting. Raj told O2 is limiting. Okay. Answer fast. When you take the class, always carry notebook and pen. हमेशा notebook and pen carry करो. Otherwise, it is not possible to go through the things. सबको समझ में आना चाहिए. I will discuss NCERT questions. I will discuss IIT question, NEET question. बिल्कुल यही सारा प्रिपरेशन हो जाएगा. बस थोड़ा मेहनत करो. O2 is limiting, H2 is excess, and H2 is in excess. Rajneesh, Anusha, didn't you get it, Anusha? Answer fast. Anusha, O2 is limiting, H2 is in excess. Rest student. Rest. Azit, answer it. Azam got it. Azam, okay. Azit, answer. Srishti, are you getting? If you are getting, then answer it. If not, no issue. Now, this is the part of the I'm solving. This is the part of the question. Okay. Now, first of all, what we need to do, balance the equation. Now, this equation is balanced. Now, check. Here is how many mole of hydrogen? 2. Here is nothing means 1 mole. Now, write down. Aram se likho. 1 mole H2 combined with how many mole O2? 1 mole O2. Good. In the question, how mole H2 given? 3 mole. Okay. 3 mole H2 will combine with how many mole of O2? 3 mole O2. But in the question, how many mole O2 given? 2 mole. Means you require 3 mole, but you have 2 mole. Means those quantity which are no. Look at na, Srishti, look at. 3 mole H2 require how many mole? 3 mole O2. But in the question, how many mole O2 given? 2 mole. Means it is present in a lesser quantity. You require 3. तुमको 3 चाहिए, but है कितने? 2. So that means to say this one is limiting reagent. If this is limiting reagent, so this one is what? Excess reagent. Clear? Now, if this one is limiting reagent, so it will decide the quantity of the product. Clear? अब बताओ, सबको समझ में आया? Look at, आराम से calculation कर लो. Just do the calculation and try to solve it. It is 3 mole H2. 3 mole H2 require 3 mole O2, but you have only 2 mole. If you want to purchase one dairy milk costing 10 rupees, but you have 5 rupees, will you purchase it or not? You will not able to purchase. Means this is a lesser quantity. If this is a lesser quantity, so this is called the limiting reagent. So simple. चलो आ गया सबको समझ में? किसी को डाउट है? एक और प्रैक्टिस करूं या न्यू क्वेश्चन पे आ जाऊं? जल्दी बताओ, यस और नो. से यस और नो. Do we need to practice more or you can easily solve it right now? जल्दी बताओ. एक और करूं कि हो गया सबको समझ में? वन मोर क्वेश्चन. अच्छा ठीक है, हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. एक और क्वेश्चन, ये याद रखना, ये बोर्ड के लिए भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. चलो 1 मिनट रुक जाऊं, मुझे. हाँ ठीक है मैं कर रहा हूँ. 1 मिनट रुक जाओ, मुझे एक स्लाइड ऐड करने दो. चलो एक और क्वेश्चन हम लोग कर लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन अब ध्यान देना बच्चों, मैं क्वेश्चन को बैलेंस कर रहा हूं. ओके, I always give the balance equation, but in examination it is not necessary they will balance the equation. So before solving such question, you need whether the equation is balanced or not. This time the equation is balanced. Now the question is 4 mole N2. Clear? 4 mole N2 combine with 16 mole H2. 4 mole N2 combined with 16 mole H2. Find out which one is limiting and which one is excess. Do first. Chalo. 4 mole N2 combined with 16 mole H2. Okay. Wait for a moment. H2 excess, H2 excess, H2 excess reagent. Okay. N2 is limiting. Okay. You just write both ना, excess और limiting. दोनों लिखो. H2 is excess. Okay. Ajit, N2 limiting. Okay. Ria, Rajneesh, Srishti, all answer it. Try to solve it. It's very easy. Anusha, N2 is limiting, H2 is excess. Okay, okay. All student answer fast. Ria, N2 is limiting reagent. Okay. Let's check. H2 is excess reagent. Okay. Now I'm solving. Listen. Okay. Okay, okay, Azam. I think you people are getting. First of all, what we need to do, what is the logic? First of all, write the equation. Bilkul. Dekho what I'm solving. Because you have to face board examination also, no? Now check whether the reaction is balanced or not. Sir, it is completely balanced. Now look at 1 mole N2 combined with how many mole H2? 3 mole H2. Is it clear? Now in the question, how many mole given? Okay, 4 mole N2 combined with how many mole of H2? 4 into 3, that is equal to 12 mole H2. Now tell me, you require how many mole? 12. But you have how many mole? 16. Means you require 12, you have more. We know if it is present in a more quantity, then it is called excess reagent. It's very simple. Now if it is excess, then definitely other reagent will be limiting reagent. So the answer is what? Answer is N2 is limiting and H2 is excess reagent. All got? देखो वेरी सिंपल है, एकदम सिंपल. हाइड्रोजन इज एक्सेस. यस सृष्टि, यू गॉट इट. अभी तुम ध्यान से बैठेगा ना तो सब क्वेश्चन जान सकता है. एक और फाइनल, उसके बाद आई विल एंड द क्लास. नो, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. ओके, आई एम taking a simple question. H2 plus Cl2, it gives you 2 HCl. This is a balance equation. We have 10 gram H2 and 71 gram Cl2. Now tell me which one is excess and which one is limiting. 10 gram, when it is given in gram, convert it into mole, and you know how to convert it into mole. When in the question it is given in gram, then convert it into mole. Now this is the final question. Now answer first. H2 is excess and Cl2 is limiting. Answer first, students. H2 is excess. Okay. If H2 is excess, then definitely I can guess Cl2 is limiting. Cl2 is limiting. Now do first. So today I have discussed the NCERT question, few NCERT question, as well as the important topic excess and limiting reagent. So tomorrow I will solve the NCERT question. Then after I will provide the note about limiting reagent, about excess reagent. ठीक है? अभी पहले हम लोग NCERT solve कर लेंगे अच्छे से. Whole NCERT. So next class we will solve the NCERT chapter and exercise, so that you will easily go through the chapter, what we have studied, what we not. Now, can I solve? Now we know 10 gram H2. So first of all, solve for the number of moles. Number of moles is equal to, we know, given mass upon molar mass. So what will 5 moles H2? Clear? Now number of moles of Cl2, given mass 71. What is the molar mass of Cl2? 71. That is 1 mole Cl2. Now solve the question. Write down the equation. H2 plus Cl2, it gives you what? 2HCl. Yes. Now look at 1 mole H2 require how many mole Cl2? 1 mole Cl2. So how many mole you have in the question? 5 mole. So 5 mole